Today is Monday and wala akong pasok. Bali, pupunta ako ng bank kasi i-fix ko yung accounts ko. I couldn't use it through online. So we'll see guys if I'm done with that. And then, so might be I'll gonna see my friends in the town because I have no plan really during my last day of my off because I need to rest because it's gonna be a hectic schedule again for the next 4 days. Guys, habang naghihintay naman ako guys, I'll show you around. Ito yung parang barangay ba? Yun, barangay namin to guys. Ito yung ano namin, dito yung mga bank, yung health, yung clinic. Meron din siyang ano, mga store. Yun, merong coffee shop maliit, merong bakery also. So, yun guys. A pharmacy. So, mostly, ano naman dito guys, complete naman guys. So, yun ang barangay namin guys. Sa atin. Sa Pinas barangay. Malaki siya guys. Hindi muna ako nag-mask guys kasi wala namang ano. Wala pa namang tao. So, magandun na ako sa loob ng bank. Kasi empty naman dito. Ako lang naman sa parang park while waiting for the bank to open. Alright guys, mamaya na lang. It's done already sa bank at saka dito na ako sa bahay guys. Okay, hey Ben. Yeah, how are you baby? Yeah, I made it. They changed everything.
That's good, Paul.
He did. He changed all the password. Yeah, that's it. Hey, baby. How are you?
Hey, could you get coffee?
Yeah, yeah. On the way for grocery shopping, but we're just gonna drop me. He's not going. He's not coming with me. Just me. And then after that, we're gonna call Pete to pick me up. Well, guys, we are not allowed to go inside without the mask. That's why I'm wearing now, just to make sure I'm ready. Pinamili namin guys yun. Onions, garlic, white onions, sweet potato, tsaka mga fruits kailangan talaga. We have the thing here guys. What's this? The fries, cheese, and sausage rolls. And what is this? Well, ito yung ano na lang guys, yung iinitin mo lang or lagay mo lang sa oven para ang mga pizza guys, or alam mo naman may work ako guys, so pagdating ng trabaho ayaw ko na masyadong maraming ganap, so ayun. Para ano lang, lagay mo lang sa oven, then that's it. Okay. Tsaka ginto. Ayun, ito yung mga pinamili namin. Yan, guys. Parang pechay. Similar to that guys. Ayan. Eggplants, some chilies, and butter, Bumili ako ng bacon, guys. So, yeah, it's a huge, what's this? And guys, kasi almost 2 weeks na hindi ako mamalengke. So, yun. My asawa was making our tea. Ooh. This is chicken sandwich. How many sandwiches you make, babe? 1, 2, 3, 4. He's making 5 5 pieces of sandwich. Chicken sandwich. Oh, look at that. Our sandwich with lettuce, chicken, butter, mayo, and what's this? Mustard. We put fresh white onions, and then we're gonna put crisps.
Yeah, you need to cut some more chicken.
You want more chicken?
You do.
Okay, I'm gonna cut abundant chicken. Right? Uh-oh. So even this too, babe, it has already onions, or should I put onions on it?
I'll let you put.
I have 2, but I'm gonna place onion on the top. Guys, look. Yum, 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 yum. Bon appetit, guys. Babe, what would you like to... This the crab's bit over here.
Yeah.
I only need 1. Okay, guys. Kain tayo. Yum, yum.
Bon appetito.
Bon appetit. Guys, it's almost 9:30 evening here, but still, as you can see, still liwanag pa. Itong summer dito, guys, hindi masyado madaling magliwanag tsaka matagal dumilim.